Most people think buying a car with 200,000 miles is a terrible idea. A ticking time bomb, a money pit, a mistake you'll regret within weeks. And honestly, most of the time, that's true, but not always, because there are a few SUVs that completely break that rule. SUVs that mechanics see every single day. Still running strong, still reliable, still refusing to die. And the craziest part, some of these are actually better buys at 200,000 miles than newer SUVs with half the mileage. Here's something most dealerships won't tell you. Mileage doesn't always tell the full story. A poorly maintained SUV with 80,000 miles can be far worse than a well-maintained one with 200,000, because what really matters is engineering, build quality, simplicity, and long-term reliability. Some SUVs are designed to last 100,000 miles and then slowly fall apart. Others, they're overbuilt, designed with durability in mind, built to handle abuse, bad roads, harsh conditions, and still keep going. Today, we're looking at 3 SUVs that mechanics trust, that owners refuse to sell, and that can still be smart buys, even at 200,000 miles. SUV number 1, Toyota Land Cruiser. Let's start with a legend, the Toyota Land Cruiser. If there's one SUV in the world known for refusing to die, it's this one. This isn't just a vehicle, it's a global icon used in deserts, mountains, war zones, and some of the harshest environments on Earth. And yet, it just keeps going. Mechanics love this SUV because it's built differently. Overbuilt. Everything about it is designed for longevity. The engine, bulletproof, the transmission, extremely durable, the suspension, built to take punishment again and again and again. There are Land Cruisers out there with 300,000, even 400,000 miles, still running like they're not ready to quit. And at 200,000 miles, for this SUV, that's barely halfway through its life. Now here's the interesting part. Because they last so long, they hold their value. Even high mileage Land Cruisers aren't cheap. And that tells you something. People know what they're buying. But there's a catch. Maintenance? These vehicles are reliable, but they're not cheap to maintain. Parts can be expensive. Fuel economy? Not great. And here's something many buyers overlook, us. Maintenance history matters more than mileage. A Land Cruiser that's been serviced regularly, with oil changes, fluid checks, and proper care, will easily outperform one with lower mileage that was neglected. Also, these SUVs are often owned by enthusiasts, people who understand their value, which means finding a well-maintained example is very possible if you know what to look for. But if you want something that will outlive almost anything else on the road, this is it. At 200,000 miles, a well-maintained Land Cruiser is not a risk, it's an investment. Now, if the Land Cruiser is the king of durability, the next SUV is the king of practicality. SUV number 2, Honda CR-V. The Honda CR-V. Not flashy, not aggressive, not built for off-roading or extreme conditions, but when it comes to reliability, it's one of the most dependable SUVs ever made. Mechanics love the CR-V for one simple reason: it just works. Day after day, year after year, without drama. The engines in these SUVs, especially the older naturally aspirated ones, are incredibly reliable. Simple design, fewer things to go wrong, and when something does break, it's usually affordable to fix. This is the kind of SUV that people forget to maintain, and it still keeps running. Think about that. There are countless CR-Vs on the road today with over 200,000 miles, still being used as daily drivers, still starting every morning without hesitation. And here's something many owners will tell you: these SUVs age gracefully. They don't suddenly fall apart. Instead, they keep doing their job reliably, consistently, even as the miles keep climbing. And here's something else. Availability of parts is a huge advantage. Because the CR-V is so popular, parts are everywhere, affordable, easy to find, which means repairs are quicker and cheaper compared to most SUVs. Another thing that makes the CR-V stand out is how easy it is to live with. Comfortable driving position, good visibility, practical interior space. It's built for real everyday life, and here's why it makes sense. Even at high mileage, low cost of ownership, good fuel economy, affordable parts, easy repairs, compared to luxury SUVs or complex modern vehicles. The CR-V is simple, and simple means reliable, but let's be real, it's not exciting, it's not powerful, and it's definitely not built for heavy towing or off-road adventures. But if your goal is this, a dependable SUV that gets you from point A to point B every single day without draining your wallet, then a 200,000-mile CR-V might be one of the smartest buys you can make. Now the final SUV is something a little different, because this one combines durability with serious capability. SUV number 3, Lexus GX470, the Lexus GX470. This SUV is what happens when you take Toyota reliability and add luxury on top. Underneath, it shares a lot with the Toyota Land Cruiser Prado, which means you're getting that same legendary durability in a more refined package. The engine, a V8, smooth, powerful, and incredibly long-lasting. Mechanics often say this engine is one of the most reliable V8s ever made, and they're not exaggerating. These SUVs regularly hit 250,000, 300,000 miles without major issues, and at 200,000 miles, they're still going strong. But here's something that makes this SUV even more impressive. It's not just about the engine. The entire platform is built like a tank. Body-on-frame construction, strong chassis, and components designed to handle real stress. This isn't a soft crossover. This is a true SUV, built for durability first, comfort second. But what makes the GX470 special is the balance. You get off-road capability, strong towing ability, comfortable interior, premium feel, all in one package. It's like getting a luxury SUV that you don't have to worry about breaking down. And here's something many people don't expect. These SUVs are often undervalued compared to Land Cruisers, which means you can get similar reliability for a lower price. And that's exactly why smart buyers look for them, because they know they're getting hidden value. Another advantage, these engines are known for handling neglect better than most. Even if maintenance wasn't perfect, they often keep running. Of course, proper care is always better, but this SUV is forgiving in ways most modern vehicles aren't. Now, there are a few things to watch out for. Suspension components, especially the air suspension, can wear out over time. Fuel economy, not great. And yes, repairs can be a bit more expensive than a basic SUV, but overall, this SUV is incredibly tough, and that's why mechanics trust it. At 200,000 miles, a well-maintained GX470 is still a solid, reliable, and surprisingly smart purchase. So here's the truth. Most SUVs at 200,000 miles, not worth the risk. Too many problems, too much wear, too many unknowns. But these three, they're different. The Toyota Land Cruiser, the Honda CR-V, and the Lexus GX470. These aren't just vehicles, they're machines, built to last, tested over time, proven in the real world. They show us something important. That mileage is just a number. What really matters is how a vehicle was built and how it was maintained. So if you're looking at a high mileage SUV, don't just focus on the odometer. Focus on the reputation, the history, the engineering behind it. Because sometimes the smartest purchase isn't isn't the newest car on the lot. It's the one that's already proven. It refuses to die. Now I want to hear from you. Would you ever buy an SUV with 200,000 miles? And if you had to choose, which one would you trust the most? Drop your answer in the comments. And if you want more videos like this, breaking down the best and worst cars to buy, make sure to subscribe. Because the more you know, the smarter you buy.